Even though Morgan Nelson and I are great and talented at what we do, we couldn't have been alone. And as you will see, the power of teams and the support of others is key to achieving great things. Let's start with describing robotics and robotics. A robot is a programmable mechanical device that can perform tasks and interact with its environment. While robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. There are many types of robots, and here's some examples. There's the bomb robot, the industrial robot, the humanoid robot, and the we also have the exploration robot, the house cleaning robot, and the invasion robot. This is a type of robot that we use in our exercise competitions. We use the Vector platform to build robots such as this. And this robot in particular is the one that we use to win the Vector Robotics World Championship of 2012. Let's see it now.
Okay, autonomous period begins. The center stack got dumped over. Red scores 3 points. And 2300B. A red scoring machine. I'm pretty sure that's as many scoring objects gonna fit in that tower. Nicely done, red. Dominated that autonomous period. Now that we're in driver control, the Blue Alliance needs to answer back. 4221A works in its isolation zone to score. 2300B scores for red, as does 4318. Blue is working to score.
Winning the World Championship was an
Is the one that we use to win the Vector Robotics World Championship of 2012. Let's see it now.
Okay, autonomous period begins. The center stack got dumped over. Red scores 3 points. And 2300B. A red scoring machine. I'm pretty sure that's as many scoring objects gonna fit in that tower. Nicely done, red. Dominated that autonomous period. Now that we're in driver control, the Blue Alliance needs to answer back. 4221A works in its isolation zone to score. 2300B scores for red, as does 4318. Blue is working to score.
Winning the World Championship was an achievement that was the result of our effort and the help of many individuals and support systems. We first found out about robotics when we overheard a teacher talk about it back on September 2011. She mentioned that a group called PRIOR, the Puerto Rican Institute of Robotics, was offering classes about robotics. It sounded interesting, so we went, not really knowing what we were getting into. So they taught us how to design, build, and program a robot with the VEX robotics system. With our robots, we have to compete in regional competitions with the objective to qualify to bigger national competitions and eventually qualify to the World Championship. Our mentors told us that we had what it takes to reach our goals, so we trusted them and we went for it.
It took a lot of effort. We dedicated months staying late working on the robot. Our mentors taught us a design process based on continuous improvement. We tried new ideas. We learned from the results, came up with new ideas for improvement, tried the ideas, and repeated the process. Building a robot wasn't easy. It was challenging. We went from this prototype to this final design in 3 months. We also had fun along the way. Let me show you how.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
In this whole experience, we learned more about math and science and how to apply math and science to build a robot and to solve real problems. Let me show you how we use STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, in our robotics team. There's a common problem that a lot of VEX robotics teams have in the competitions. The problem is the overloading of motors due to the loads that they carry, the gear ratios that they use, and the pushing done in competitions. Well, if the motors on the base of the robot overload, they don't move. And, well, that's definitely a problem. Because if the robot doesn't move, it can't score, and it can't win. Simple. So we use STEM to find a solution to that problem. We measured how the motors reacted in the field, and this is what we got. We noticed that as long as we kept the motors functioning in a certain perimeter, it would never overheat or stall. So we created a program called DOA, Dynamic Overload Avoidance, to keep it in those parameters. We used this program in the World Championship, and it never failed.
We reached our goal with the support of our parents and our mentors. Another factor that was our key to success was the support program of Prior. Prior organized all the local competitions, and they offered classes for us to learn. Without them, we wouldn't have been here.
We won. All the hard work paid off. We won various tournaments that led us to a world championship. Our initial goal and dream was accomplished. We went to California to compete. Our mentor told us that the important thing was to do our best and to learn from the experience. We're one of the best and were selected from a team of China and Singapore. We didn't care about the languages, ethnicity, or religion. We focused on our strength and getting the job done. Our alliance worked together and we were able to win the world championship.
Yes, we deserve a lot of the credit. It took a lot of effort, skill, and determination to accomplish our goal. But not all the credit. We have to thank our team, Jorge, Nelson, and I, and our alliance like China and Singapore. We also have to thank Prior for giving us the opportunity to learn and to build a robot. But most importantly, we have to thank our mentors, our parents, and our teachers for helping us along the way.
And now, to all those kids and teenagers out there like us, we say, focus on a goal.
Have determination and a strong desire to win or reach your goal.
Use the power of teams. You don't have to do it alone.
Use the support system and program in your community, school, and church, such as Prior or the Boys and Girls Club.
Find someone with experience in what you want to do. Ask them to be your mentor with your parents' permission, and you'll be surprised with the results.
And lastly, to all you leaders out there, especially the ones in a position of power and knowledge, we need more programs such as the one created by Prior to help in our development and to keep kids and teens in focus on positive activities. You can create the environment and the conditions to foster thinking and innovation while having fun. We are the future, and with your help, we can make winning stories such as ours the rule and not the exception.